Well, it's officially fall, y'all, and it's time to clean and decorate. Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I just want to do a refresh of my patio from summer to fall. And as you can see here, I'm not switching up the theme at all. I'm only going to switch out a few things. So I'm using this Mrs. Myers. I didn't have any of the other scents, so I end up using the lavender. And the tab I put in there is the homemade tabs I make using Mrs. Meyer products, and I also have a video on that as well. Now, normally when I clean my tree, it's just so easy to just spray on it, and it sort of just gives it a nice glossy finish to it when it's done. Take your time when you're cleaning these leaves, you know, because you don't want any of them to drop off. I think I lost maybe one or two. Just be careful cleaning the leaves. Now, this table also is a Goodwill find. I got this table for $1. They had it marked properly. So again, I use the same products, which is the Mrs. Myers, just to clean up the table. And this was repainted. I think it was originally brown. I think I painted this table a couple times. Now this is easy to wipe off. Again, I just a little bit of light cleaner, and these futon mattresses wipe completely off. I'm loving this floor. If you didn't see my video on how I installed this floor, my son and I installed this floor for the patio. It was just 2 boxes. I got this floor from Home Depot, and I think it ended up probably costing about $60 for the whole floor. Now this lantern, you know, I had to really clean it thoroughly because I had my candles in there and the candles didn't melt, the plastic ones. So I just decided no more candles for this, unfortunately. And also, you can see here it left wax residue when it melted. So I figured, let me just try some SOS pad to see if it come up cleaning it. It did a pretty good job. Now this wreath here, I DIY'd. I didn't really film DIYing it. Basically just putting some of these flowers on it and some pumpkins. But here, unfortunately, it fell down and it broke my ginger jar, guys. The green and white ginger jar. So I had to redo it. And the problem is the glue. I used the Gorilla Glue, and I'm noticing using Gorilla Glue, it's not adhering properly. And as you can see, I have to hold on it. Actually, I had to held about 5 minutes on this. It's constantly coming up, so I don't think I would use that glue. Actually, I returned the glue. And also what happens when I use the spray adhesive Gorilla as well. So I don't think I'll buy their products again. Now on my pumpkin, you know, this is nice and shimmery, and I like it with this sun. So I figure with this 3-tier one, let me just give it a little glitter. It's supposed to be glow in the dark glitter. And I just wanted to use it. And again, I changed my adhesive. I didn't want to use the Gorilla. So I decided to use a paintbrush. I didn't have any hodgepodge. I decided just to, you know, use the adhesive. So basically, I just sprayed the brush to see how it would come out. And it came out fine. Now for my cute little planner here, I hauled this from, I believe, Goodwill. I think it's, not sure if it was that or Home Goods. So I wanted a little, flower in there or a plant in there. So of course I couldn't find a mom that small, so I ordered these from Amazon. These are really cute. It comes in like 6 stems. So I will link it in the description box.
Let's just live a life. Let's just have a life. Oh, plants don't grow with our wishes aligned. We were like yin and yang combined. Now the tables have turned. Can we live and unlearn? You tell me. Plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. We could go till we're older. Put your head on my shoulder, and let's enjoy the ride.
So I decided to make a big picture of tea, and I'm using my cinnamon sticks here I got from my coffee station. And if you didn't see my coffee station, guys, go check that out as well. And I decided to put some apples and oranges in there. Since it's just too extremely hot to make hot apple cider, I just decided to make a nice tea with my oranges, apples, and of course my cinnamon sticks as well. Now this little stir I got from Amazon, along with a picture from Goodwill. I'm loving this picture. I had one before I gave it to my son, so I eventually found another one, and I'm loving this. I didn't realize how expensive these pictures was until I ordered the stir, and I got the picture maybe for a couple dollars at Goodwill.
Let's enjoy the ride.
So I decided with the scraps just to do a simmer pot because, I like to have the smell of fall. Even though it's close to 100 degrees, you still want to have some sense of fall.
Oh, plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. Oh, and we could. If only I had
you enjoyed this video of my refresh fall patio. So I just want to briefly show you real quickly what you could do in an 8x8 room. This is all this is. It's 8 foot by 8 foot. So I hauled the futon from OfferUp, and the mattress itself is from Amazon. The pillows, you know, I got from Kohl's. This is the Jonathan collection. The pillow here, the little holiday pillow here, it is from, I hauled that from Home Goods, along with the green and white blanket I hauled from Home Goods about a year or so ago. Now the picture where I'm going to make a nice ice cold of tea because it's too hot for apple cider. This picture right here was Goodwill, along with this stirrup is from Amazon. I just got that from Amazon, and I couldn't remember the name of it. It's called Martini Stirrer. So again, I'm going to have the cookies here. I'm only going to probably eat one, if that. Those is from Trader Joe's cookie credenza I got years ago from Home Goods. The tray I hauled from Goodwill, I believe last year, along with the vase is Goodwill. Of course, all the decor here, the florals, the fake florals are from Amazon. And of course, I went to Hobby Lobby. I hauled that and I did a video on that already. The ones on the table right here, again, the lanterns from Michael's. I had it a year ago. The pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. All the other pumpkins is from Hobby Lobby. I did find the mums finally from Trader Joe's, so that was a good idea. So that is it for my patio, guys. It just was a great little switching from summer to fall, keeping the same theme, keeping the same pillows. Only thing I had to do was add this pillow here. You know, and you guys really love this one here. I just added this one pillow. I still kept with the greens, the grays, the blues, and the soft white and the soft cream. And also I showed you the DIY I did of my wreath. My wreath I keep every year, and I just switch it out from season to season. Again, the same thing, the same pumpkins. The greenery, all that stuff was from Hobby Lobby. Actually, this greenery here was from Walmart, and these stems was only 97 cents each. It was so much cheaper to get the green stems from Walmart than Hobby Lobby or anything from Home Goods. Alright guys, so that is it for my tour. Thank you for cleaning with me, decorate with me, checking my DIY, and also, you know, my final tour. Alright guys, I'll see you at the next tour, which will be my fall home tour. Alright guys, it's your Mooregirl. I will see you later. Alright guys, bye.